Curbside Podcast. We're here. This is the boy, Prabh.
Hello.
Probert, aka No Problem. And we're doing some shit to his car today. We're installing a breaker bar? Crash bar. In front of your...
What?
In front of your... What the fuck is that?
Front mount intercooler.
Yeah, that one. That's what we're doing today. I'm here to help him. For the people that don't know, what's the point of this thing?
So, if you get in a car accident and stuff, it doesn't fuck everything up.
Nice. That's a good thing,
And
right?
also, I have a tow hook again.
Oh, that's good.
And then I can mount my license plate over here.
No, don't mount the license plate. If you're me, don't mount the front license plate. Everybody, you know, that's also asking for problem.
I was gonna take a sip of water.
Son of shit.
I'm literally thinking about it while you're setting it up.
God damn it, dude. Oh shit. Oh, too much. There we go. Right.
No, you put the washer first. No, but bonnet's all you can do after, right? That's good.
Bro, the brain is slow right now, dude.
Why are you screwing it in?
Bro, it's not going in.
It still says to drop in.
Is it?
Yeah, because you have to use a nut to tighten it on the other side.
Dude, this is hard. What the shit we're trying to do? We have these shitty assholes aligned so we can put this thing in, and so it basically holds the whole bar in place. We were struggling to align the stupid shit because that's how they made it. We gotta loosen these top ones because the shit's not aligning properly, and then we gotta loosen that. Try to get this so we can basically take the screw and go like that. It's not happening. We'll try to fix it.
Okay. That was easy.
Now we just fuck around with it. There we go. See, that's it. Oh, you tighten this one back? Where did the pocket I put this shit? Okay.
You're gonna do the same shit? You just lifted up last time?
That's it, man. Oh, it's it.
It is? Okay. I guess that's the trick right there.
Okay.
That's it?
Yeah. Got it in. Oh, we just gotta tighten the bolts here. Do that shit. Yeah. And then put his bumper back on. Might have to shave it a little bit. This corner right here. Depending.
Yeah, I see.
We'll see if it fits or not. It's hot as balls, but since this is the first time Mr. Prabh is on the channel, a little walk around of his 2015 Subaru WRX. He's built it. This guy's pushing like almost 400 horsepower. 450 horsepower. Built turbo.
Oh. Built turbo?
Not built. Built engine, my bad, dude. God damn. Bumper fits. Looks like we don't gotta do any cutting, but possibly move your ass.
Shake my ass?
Yeah, you want to shake your ass, dude? Everyone will love that shit. They'll get hella views. Damn. Fucking thing where his tow hook is gonna come from. This is blocking it, this thing. So we're trying to see if one of the friends has a Dremel, and we're gonna possibly attempt to cut this piece out. But we don't have to do any other jank shit to his bumper. It fits perfectly with the crash bar on it. You can see it right here. Right here. And that's it. So this is the first time, because these boys always tell me, oh, yeah, you gotta record something. And I always don't do it because it's not interesting, so finally did it.
Fuck you, Jeff.
Yeah. Apparently.
I love you.
He loves you, apparently, too. I'm Parth. That was Probert.
Yeah.
Peace outside. We'll see you guys later.
Peace outside.